VRNet teleports you into the future. VRNet allows users the opportunity to see apartments before they're built, 5 years into the future. Walk around and you can also see the residential complex itself, the park, the playground and the restaurants, and decide how much you like it, how cozy this living space can be, at the very moment you decide to buy it. Developers need to show what furniture will be there before the apartment is made and how beautiful it will all look, because not all customers can imagine it when there isn't anything there. We help them imagine this with the help of a VR headset in the sales office and the showroom walks on the site. Our product splits into two parts. The first part is that we sell to real estate developers, helping them visualize apartments and complexes at the best quality and detail. The second part is where we sell to listing websites. For example, here in Ukraine, we brought all the upcoming buildings and apartments into the metaverse. And now it's possible to see something that's not here yet. It's possible to visit in VRNet Metaverse, take a walk around the apartments and see views from the windows. How we differ from our direct competitors is our 3D engine. It took a lot of effort and a long time to do it all, but now it works better. It's easier to create the visualization of an apartment. Our technology is several years ahead of our competitors, and we can make 50,000 apartments per month in outstanding quality and do it with a city view of visualized parks, rivers and mountains. As a result, you can really understand what is seen from the window. When the client comes to buy an apartment, they are nervous. They are not sure what they are buying. Clients often see the layout and pictures at best. They ask a lot of questions, and this is usually a tense and stressful situation. VRNet makes this whole process fun. A person immediately gets all the answers to these questions, plus their visit turns into a game. Salespeople tell us that the working day is shifting from being stressful and negative into a fun and positive one. They love our product. On the other hand, we've increased our conversion up to 30% directly from the site. VRNet can be placed directly on the residential complex website. We increase conversions even when a client calls the sales department. We have a unique broadcast technology where you can remotely connect and take a virtual tour of the residential complex while simultaneously communicating with the seller. We also increase conversions at the core stage. We provide the sales office with the maximum amount of our tools, augmented reality and virtual reality. When a real estate developer needs to convert as much as possible to impress their client and tell them everything is possible, VRNet gives them this wow effect. Here, VRNet is the tool for closing the deal. At all these 3 stages of contact, we help increase conversions. I've only heard rave reviews from our customers. Everyone says, it's cool, it helps us. And regular customers demand something even newer, something more interesting. And they see the future in our cooperation. Our team is an absolute dream team. People who have abilities, people who have ideals, people who have skills, people who are nice to work. I feel that we have formed a big team and learned how to grow together. In each department, we crystallized our own small and local culture, and I like that we are growing as a team, and I think that VRNet has succeeded with its team spirit and actions. VRNet is very close to what I value. On the one hand, as technologically as possible and at the very edge of new tech, virtual reality is essentially our future. And on the other hand, I like the format of some freedom. Our body very much limits us, and virtual reality allows our consciousness to visit any other body or even leave the body. It's fascinating, and that's why I'm doing VRNet.